Hello again everybody, this is Alex with P&K Equipment. Today we're going to be taking a look at the rough cut 72-inch deck on the STEINER 450 tractor. The rough cut deck is capable of cutting material up to 1.5 inches in diameter at heights of cut between 3.75 and 7 inches with the now standard caster wheel kit. This is a 72-inch deck, and as you can see today we're utilizing it on a fairly severe slope near the maximum of 30 degrees on the side slope. As you can see here, we're going to also be adjusting the weight transfer or traction boost system. This is a hydraulically controlled weight transfer system designed to take weight off the implement and back to the traction unit, aiding in traction on severe terrain. If you have any other questions on the STEINER products, feel free to reach out to your local P&K dealer.